Matthew.
Yeah, she was just saying
Matthew.
to me a little while ago. They told me that it was done, and that but it takes a whole day to dry.
Yeah, but it's cute.
Right? I thought that was pretty neat. She makes all kinds. She makes Mickey Mouse. She makes everything that they like. So she didn't have this one on the picture. I said, "Can you make the little monkey?"
Matthew.
Monkey's cute because there's some monkeys that they have like at the stores that are not pretty.
Yeah, she said. Well, let me show you the other two she had sent me, and I said, "No, I don't like those." I said that one was the closest one to the little monkey
Yeah.
up there. She was sending me.
Yeah, because when we were looking at stuff for the